Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Drawlogist. Follow the steps to convert low resolution image to high resolution in Adobe Illustrator. Step 1. Bring in the logo or any icons image from Google. Step 2. Create a square shape at the corner of your artboard. Now use the color picker tool. Change the color of your square block to the icon's color. Step 3. Select your logo image and in the Properties tab, select the Image Trace button. If you are using older version of Illustrator, the tab might appear at the top position instead of the right position. Step 4. Click black and white for tracing. Once traced, you can see the image transformed and the pixelated appearance is no more. Now click on the Expand button. Step 5. Select the logo and then the eyedropper tool. Click on the square block to copy its color back to our logo. The image is now converted into vector. Click the file option from top menu bar, select export and name your file. You can also change the extension of your file. In this case I am using .jpg extension. Now select the quality of your file. I am keeping this on maximum. You can also change the resolution to 300 ppi for a much sharper image. Time to check the quality of your file. I think this is awesome, much better and sharper than before.
Thanks for watching guys. Please press the red subscribe button to follow our channel and get updates on your YouTube feed. Get notified for upcoming videos by clicking the bell icon next to the subscribe button.